Good morning, I'm MrTieDye. Welcome to my hippie Christmas. So the other day I did some starflower designs. I just wanted to do kind of a variation on them. So I made up a whole bunch of bandanas and various things, and I don't remember how I stacked them in here, so we're just going to start cutting these open and seeing what we have here. So these are all going to be starflower and variations here. So I've already done a good rinse in the sink on these. So let's see what we have. Okay, so this here is the 3-petaled starflower. So we're going to put that in the wash. For now, we'll toss it over there. Let's open the next one up and see. So I did various numbers of petals on these. So later today, there will be a video with how I folded each one of these. So let's see what we have in this one. And I dyed them all the same way just so that we could have a nice review here. So there's the 4-petaled starflower. Alright, let's go for the next one. I love hippie Christmas. And this video showing how I tied each one of these will be up as soon as these are all washed and dried and I get the completed pictures. But I wanted to at least do a sneak peek on the reveal since I haven't done a reveal video in a while. Alright, so there's a 8-petaled starflower. I did a couple variations where I tied them, instead of going from the middle, I went from the edge. So a couple of these are going to be a little bit different starflowers. So let's see what we have here. So there's my 6-petal starflower. And then these ones here will probably be from the edges. So these are going to be partial starflowers. So if you tie from an outer edge, instead of getting a round starflower in the middle, you get a starflower on each side of the tapestry. So just some fun variations here of different ways of folding. There's no right and wrong ways, there's just different results for them. And this should be on the corners. Okay, so there you can see the starflowers on the corners instead of the middle. And then I did one more starflower where I dyed one side all one color and the other side another color. And I did orange and purple just because I love contrast. So let's see what happens when we do that. And there is the two-colored starflower with 8 petals on it. And I bet if you practice more with your saturation, you could probably get it a little bit more even on there, but there we have it. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos, and how I did all of these, that video will be up a little later today, maybe, possibly tomorrow.